Hi students, this is Mr. Liu and I am your 7-Minute Sensei. Today I want to give you an orientation to my updated website and I want to talk about submitting complete work. Okay, with that, let's talk about how do you get to the website. Just simply type in your web browser senseilue.com. That's senseilue.com. Once you get to the Sensei Liu website, this is what you can expect to see. On the very top, you have these different classes that are in different colors. Those are a direct link to the Canvas page. So if you clicked on any one of those, that would log you into Canvas and you're on your way. Just below that, this second row here are links to the Utah State strands and standards for each one of these courses. Below that are little video clips I refer to as my 7-Minute Sensei series, and I'll do short little clips there for those classes. And then if you're wondering what's just below that, I try to summarize why we have this class. What is the purpose for a marketer, for example? So if you're a marketer, your role and your responsibility is to create value and to manage mutually profitable relationships. So if you're ever wondering, why am I taking this class? What can I expect to learn? Take a look at that and see if that doesn't help. Now, below that, we have a link here. If you want to click on this link, you can meet with me, Mr. Liu, one-on-one in a Zoom meeting. And so if you have some very specific questions that you feel like you just want to chat one-on-one, go ahead and set up an appointment there. On the other hand, I will be offering classes a couple times a day. I'm probably going to go down to maybe just one class in the morning, one class in the afternoon. So it really is an open class where you can come and ask me questions, know that I'll be there, and if you need some whiteboard demonstration, if you want to have my assistance in helping you with the study.com assignments I give you, have questions on your capstone project, let me know. Okay? This right here is just an embedded copy of the Sensei slides. Now you can access Sensei slides straight off of the menu on my website, or you can just see it right on the home page. It is above the fold, meaning that it should be as intended, easily accessible for my students. Here, you'll notice that I'm starting to add some videos. So I don't know about you, but I look for inspiration every day, and music is an important part of that. So I'm going to curate some great videos hopefully for you, and I'll link those there. The video that I have linked today is about a singing doctor, and he does a fantastic job. And so I'll just kind of mix that up. So the day that you look at it, maybe it's not the singing doctor, but somebody else. Hopefully you'll enjoy that. And then I'm equally inspired by words, TED Talks, short inspirational videos, commencement speeches. This particular video that I have linked today is from the gentleman who wrote Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Now, he does say some things that are a bit controversial, so forgive me, don't want to confuse you, but I like to hear different perspectives, and he has kind of this unique view about, well, let's just say the accounting equation, right? Assets are equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Well, if you listen to him and listen carefully to his definition of assets, and see what you learn from that. Now, just to the right of this, you'll see I've got outlined computational thinking as well as the scientific method. Now, these are two different methods for problem solving. Every day we've got to solve problems. And if you just need a refresher on the scientific method, take a look. Now, just below here, we've got a link to the Springfield High School website as well as the faculty website. I hope things are going well for you as far as distance education. If you need to get in contact with your teacher, click on the faculty link and get their contact information. Now, just below the fold here, I've got a couple different links, the calendar for the school and the school district. And I have a link if you want to subscribe to the 7-Minute Sensei. I'd appreciate that. But also, if you just kind of want to get some of the videos that I'll be recording to help my students through this time of distance learning, please subscribe. If you have any suggestions on what I should record, how I can better help you, better serve you, please just shoot me an email and I will be glad to see what I can do to create a video for you. Okay, now let's talk about complete work. I've noticed that a lot of the assignments that are being submitted are not always complete work. So what I mean by that is when I ask students to write in their own words a definition of the 4 Ps, or what is product pricing strategy, tell me about distribution. I understand that you're using Google, that you're using study.com, but let's avoid just simply copying and pasting answers. Use a thesaurus if nothing else. Do some wordsmithing, come up in your own words, definitions of what we're studying. Also, what would be helpful and which demonstrates that you have a deeper understanding, deeper learning, is provide examples. So if you're going to provide an example about low price strategy, you might say, for example, when I go in the grocery store, when I go into that Costco store, I notice they have end caps, and I notice that their strategy is stack them deep and sell them cheap. Okay? That is a pricing strategy. It's not much different than saying, okay, their pricing strategy is BOGO. Buy one, get one free. Okay? These are different pricing strategies. Please be sure that when you submit your work on Canvas, demonstrate to Mr. Liu that you really do understand the topic, that it's just not copy and pasting. Okay? That's known as plagiarism. I understand, I get it, you want to do this quick, but I hope that you'll find that spending that extra few minutes, all right, to write complete answers, give examples, will help you in the long run. Hey, this is Mr. Liu, and I am your 7-Minute Sensei, saying so long, farewell, auf Wiedersehen, goodbye, and peace out.